Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It's 10:36 p.m. on Saturday, June 18th. This is the stock market trading watch list for the week of June 20th, 2011. I'm also going to clean up the watch list for the week of June 13th, 2011. CRDN stock we were watching into Friday did not trigger. We are canceling this. CRDN is now canceled. Onyx Pharmaceuticals, we had a break-even stop, but it opened up 12 cents above that break-even stop, so we have to take the loss minus 12 cents. This is how we do it for the videos, okay? There's no well, you should have, and you would have waited, and no. I'll leave that for others, okay? This is reality-based trading, okay? So it's based on what really happens in the market, all right? And the videos manage the trades just the way they are laid out. So, that's the rules that the video follows. Okay, so it's reality based. All right, and then Decker's Outdoor, 79.78 entry, stops break even, also gapped up, so stopped out for 32 cents. So for the week, there was a small gain because the profits, 1/3 of a unit profits were taken, and these are just minor percentages of a unit. But I'm counting the week as a scratch. So that's 2 weeks in a row, and it's not from lack of trying. We've been watching some stocks the past couple of weeks. The videos had some positions, but we just can't seem to get any movement here that follows through. Okay, so even these stocks, they look great on the day they triggered, but then the next day, no follow through, and of course the gaps hurt because the stops will break even. But that's the way trading is sometimes, and it's sure better than sitting here with a 3, 4, 5 unit loss on the week going, oh, it was a horrible week. That's not something that is pleasant to see, okay? Pleasant to feel, pleasant to hear, pleasant to taste, and pleasant to smell, right? We'll cover all the senses. All right, so let's go over the stock market trading watch list for the week of June 20th, 2011. Lindsay Corporation. It looks like a bear flag under the 200-day moving average. We were watching this one last week, but no trigger, so we canceled. To me, this looks like it could get some downside to under 50 if it triggers and gets follow-through. 58.71 entry, 61.61 stop, $2.90 stop, but it's still 1 unit of risk. Please go and watch the video on videos, which you can find the link at the title slide right before I start talking, and it talks about unit size and etc., risk and all that stuff. All right, move stops after an 85-cent gain is seen in the trade. Half off plus 3 and half off plus 9. QSII, Quality Systems Inc. Okay, this was a trade that stopped out, I believe, break even. Yeah, we definitely didn't lose on it, but I don't think any profits were secured on this one. And now it looks like it's in a stealth bear flag. 78.79 entry, 80.79 stop. 70-cent gain, move stops to break even. Looking at cover plus 4 as this trades towards the 200-day moving average. And alongside trades, SolarWinds Inc., SWI. Okay, high volume breakout last Tuesday. Looks like decided to digest the rest of the week, so we're looking to see if the momentum can continue to the upside. 25.71 entry, 24.71 stop. Move stops after 45 cents. 45-cent gain is seen in the trade. Half off plus 1 and half off plus 3. Now remember the rules for trading the watch list. If the stock gaps above the long entry or below the short entry at the open, then the trades are immediately canceled. Okay, and if the stops are hit before the triggers are hit. Either way, okay, so if the stops are hit before the triggers are hit, the trades are canceled, okay? So just that, actually, the trade is canceled. I should say the trades, right? Because it doesn't cancel everything. It just cancels the trade that it applies to. So, for example, if 24.71 was traded to before 25.71, just cancel the trade, all right? And the same thing goes for the short trades, which we might as well go over them, as long as I'm talking about them. So if 80.79 is traded to before 78.79. Just cancel it. And if this gap's below 78.79, it's also canceled. And the same thing with Lindsay. Okay, if 61.61 is traded to before 58.71, the trade's canceled. And if it gaps below 58.71, the trade is also canceled. Okay, so don't forget to check the 9 a.m. update on the blog, which, by the way, is getting a new home soon. I'm actually working on the site now. So I stopped to do the video. So pretty soon there'll be a new site for y'all to see with some articles and some blog posts and all this other good stuff, videos. So, but for now, we're still using the blog that you have in the beginning of the video in the title slide. So make sure you check by 9 a.m. Eastern to see if there are any changes or adjustments to the watch list. Have a great trading day on Monday. I'll talk to everybody again with the management of the watch list.